Have you ever moved a plant to a new pot or spot only to watch it wilt and droop? It's frustrating, but you're not alone. This is called transplant shock. When you move a plant, its delicate roots often get damaged, making it hard for the plant to absorb water. Meanwhile, the leaves keep losing water, especially in a sunny spot, so the plant wilts, like trying to drink through a broken straw. Don't worry, with patience and gentle care, your plant can bounce back and thrive again. Let's learn how to help your plant recover from transplant shock and bring it back to life. When you move a plant, it faces transplant shock, adjusting to new soil, light, and air. The roots aren't fully established, so water absorption drops, and fragile root hairs often get damaged. Leaves may wilt or drop as the plant conserves water and focuses on root repair. Give your plant time, gentle watering, and shade. Avoid fertilizing or pruning until it recovers. With patience and care, your plant will bounce back and thrive in its new home. If your plant looks wilted or droopy, don't panic. Many plants can recover with the right care and a little attention. Here's a simple 5-step recovery plan to help revive your struggling green friend and get it back on track. First, water deeply to settle the soil and hydrate the roots thoroughly. Make sure the water reaches the root zone, not just the surface. Keep the soil moist like a damp sponge, never soggy, but never bone dry. Consistent moisture is crucial for recovery. Second, provide temporary shade to protect your plant from harsh sun for a few days, especially during the hottest part of the day. For indoor plants, move them to a spot with bright but indirect light, away from direct sun that can stress them further. Third, skip fertilizer for now. Stressed roots can't handle extra nutrients, and it could do more harm than good. Wait until you see healthy new growth before feeding again. This is a sign your plant is ready for a boost. Fourth, mulch around the base with bark or straw to help retain moisture, keep roots cool, and reduce stress. Finally, prune a few large or lower leaves if wilting is severe. This helps the plant focus its energy on recovery. Removing some leaves reduces water demand and gives the roots a better chance to recover and regrow. Don't overdo it. Just trim enough to ease the strain, and always use clean, sharp tools to avoid infection. With these steps and a little patience, your plant will bounce back. Remember, recovery takes time, so keep caring and watch for signs of improvement. Preventing transplant shock is even better than treating it. Transplant on cool, overcast days or in the evening to reduce stress. Pre-water your plant a few hours before moving it. This keeps roots hydrated and the root ball intact. Handle roots gently. Dig wide, never pull by the stem. Protect roots from sun and wind. Keep them moist if you can't replant right away. Some wilting is normal, even with perfect technique. Don't be discouraged. Plants usually bounce back. With careful handling and patience, your plant will thrive in its new home. You're giving it a fresh start. Soon you'll see it grow stronger than ever.